Warning! You must not open the thrust reverser when the wind speed is 46 miles per hour, 73 kilometers per hour or more. An injury and/or damage may occur if the wind moves the thrust reverser. Make the thrust reverser unserviceable by deactivating the Isolation Control Unit, ICU. Open the latch access and overpressure relief doors. Operate the take-up device to take the load off the latches before they are opened. Release the hook latches. The number 1 hook latch is operated by the remote lever. Release the 2 pin latches with a square drive handle. Disengage the take-up device and put it in its keep position. Remove the cap from the connector on the manifold. Connect the hose of the hydraulic pump to the manifold. Open the reverser half by operating the pump. Release the front hold-open rod and install it in its related engine-mounted receptor. Then install the rear one. Open the pressure relief valve on the pump. This will let the reverser half close until it is held by the hold-open rods. Repeat this operation to open the second thrust reverser cowl.